right, it is June, which means lots of weeds and time to fertilize. If you don't get yourself up to speed on the weeds, they are gonna take over your garden. And the worst part is they start seeding and then you're gonna have weeds everywhere. So make sure, I know it's annoying, you think it can just blend in, but it's just like your house. The dust will collect. So make sure that you are picking your weeds and getting them out of the garden so that you don't have issues later on. I'm a weird person and I like to use a butter knife to pull up my weeds. Obviously you can use a spade. This is just what I use. But if you can conquer the weeds now, you're gonna have a better July where you don't have to deal with so many weeds because it's gonna be hotter. So make sure you get on top of those weeds.
It's June, so that means strawberries are popping, making me want to eat some strawberry shortcake, or of course that strawberry and rhubarb pie. You can still be harvesting a lot of things during this month too. Your lettuces, leafy greens, especially thanks to all this nice rain and an unusually cold start to summer we've had. Spring onions are up, fresh herbs. You could still be harvesting peas too. And don't forget your cabbage, cauliflower, your beets, your carrots, get your broccoli. All those things are ready to be harvested or should be ready to be harvested this month.
Another great thing to do in June is make sure that you add some fertilizer to your garden, especially those veggies. They love nitrogen, and in my soil, it's obviously very low in nitrogen because we just don't have it in the ground. So I will add either a granule, urea, or ammonium sulfate, or you can use fish emulsion if you're going more organic. And I like to water in at nighttime. And for example, my corn right now is just about a foot tall. That is the perfect time to give it that extra boost that it needs to get through the season and make sure that you're producing fruit. So be sure to water in really good, otherwise the nitrogen can burn your plants, and only add what it says on the package. If you add too much, you're gonna burn your crops.
Thanks so much again for watching, and make sure you check out next month's episode by hitting that subscribe button.